What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are having an awesome day today. So check this out. So I've been here trying to figure out how to wire my fans. These are the normal plugs that you would plug your normal fans into, right? So I want to use these same plugs off of the old fans and wire them pretty much to these. Alright, so cut these, right, and then kind of connect them to the wires that's over there, right, and then I can use these back end plugs. Let me show you. Okay, so the goal would pretty much to be, let's remove this plastic piece. Alright, so pretty much I would take this plug like this, and then it only goes into one of these. So this is the female, and this is the male. So it's only going to connect into that one. So then what I want to do is take these three, which are pretty much ground. This brown is ground, and this is speed 1 with the white line, and then this one would be speed 2. So we're going to take these two together, put them together, put a plug on top of them, and wire them to the blue one, which would be the power. And then this one will go to the black one, which would be the ground. And then I can take this plug, right? Because I do a lot of service maintenance on the front of this. So then I can just remove this plug and boom, I'm back in the game. So I think that's what I want to do. I don't know if that makes sense or anything, but that's what I'm about to try. So I got some of these little connectors like this. And we're just going to take one connector, and then it's going to find its home inside the other side of that. See, even with that plug in there, I was still able to take the radiator off. That is why I wanted to do it this way, because I'll still be able to pull my radiator on and off, being able to use using these plugs. Shout out to Humble Mechanic for that one. I just had my old radiator fans laying around, so I just cut those plugs off, decided to use those plugs, one on each side, same concept as the old fans. So perfect. So let's just put some power to the car, and now let's just test those fans. So the way we're going to test the fans is, so yeah, let's just try and hot wire them. Awesome. So I like them wired that way because I'm able to use the plug, the same OEM plug, pull it on and off, and keep going. I could come back and make my own plug, but that works perfectly fine right there. So yeah, the fans work now. Now I just wait on that clutch to come in, that cylinder to come in the mail.